Alright, before we get into this video, huge giveaway announcement right here, right now. We are giving away over $18,000 worth of Sonic tools to you guys. Totally free to enter. If you just want to get into it right now, there'll be a link in the description, so go check that out. Here is kind of the first thing that we're giving away. Enter for your chance to win right now. Good luck, and here is the video. So it is the next morning, a gloomy and rainy next morning. Confirmed, the Corvette doesn't melt in the rain. We got the exhaust installed last night. Headed to Warwick's house to put on a crazy exhaust system. It's just two over axle pipes and two mufflers. Corsa Xtreme. My heart's pounding. My neighbors are gonna hate me.
They will.
The whole house is gonna shake. All right, here we go. I'm gonna turn down the volume a little bit. It sounds incredible, but this morning we're going to, as you can hear, like it's pretty loud in here. Just a culmination of the rain, the road noise on the exhaust. I have to kind of speak louder than I'm used to. But we're headed to our good buddy's shop, JFB. We did that video with their Hellcat Gladiator, that badass lifted Gladiator with the heavy swamp in it. Did a burnout. The fastest Gladiator in the world. Oh, shit. Eats rubber considering they're 40s. This thing is so crazy. That video was awesome. So they're putting on a show, and our good buddy Craig in the CTS-V, if you guys remember, we did a whole rally with Craig and his V. He's going to be out there. He has also done a few changes to his V. He's wrapped it and also put a Corsa Xtreme exhaust on his car. So I'm excited to go see them. Craig has yet to see the car in person because he lives quite a bit of ways from me. So this is kind of a treat to have Craig kind of in the vicinity of Illinois, so we can kind of show each other what we've done in terms of me getting a new car and him changing the ramp and the exhaust. So I'm excited, so let's go. This thing sounds incredible, and she's not melting, so we're in good shape. job, dude.
You can't do it like that.
What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah?
I'm happy for you, dude.
This
I know
is
how long you've wanted it.
the biggest reason hung me in there to get this thing. This guy right here.
I didn't do anything.
So this is your new wrap.
Yeah.
It's dope. I don't know if I'm gonna get it too accurate on camera.
It's hard.
So talk about like what this color is.
It's KPMF Ominous Gray.
And this is like the only one in
Indiana.
on a V.
On a V. No, on any car.
Oh, on anything.
No other car in Indiana has this color. And I'm convinced that no other V3 in the country has this color.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You also blacked out all the chrome. Here. The roof is black too.
Everything.
Yeah, looks good.
So he wrapped everything. Get some extra protection.
And what else did you do since the rally?
Powder coat the wheels.
Oh yeah, that's right. OEM wheels, powder coated black.
Put Corsa exhaust on.
You did a Corsa Xtreme.
Yep.
Oh, there he's gonna start it. Oh. Wow. Damn, that sounds good.
Yeah.
I just want to drown with you tonight. Breathe you in this love is suicide. Get too close, your electric shock. Comatose and it won't wear off. Drown with me till we don't feel alive. I just want to drown with you tonight. Breathe you in this love is suicide. Get so close, your electric shock. Comatose and it won't wear off. Drown with me cause I don't feel alive. I just want to drown with you tonight. Breathe you in this love is suicide. Get so close, your electric shock. Comatose and it won't wear off. Drown with me cause I don't feel alive.
All right, and we're back. So super fun day. It was my first drive in the vent in, substantial rain. It was fine. Feels like a normal car. It's quite loud, but that's not why I bought the car. But yeah, did great. It's fine. It's not. It doesn't get out from under you if you're not an idiot. So yeah, I mean, maybe the tires that I have on it are good, but drove the vent in the rain for the first time. It was great. Also, it was so dope seeing Craig. It's been a while. We haven't seen each other since the rally. And it was awesome to see his CTS-V, his Gen 3 in person, because I've only seen it in pictures, and the color looks better in person than pictures. It looks actually completely different. So kudos to Craig. Your V is awesome. It sounds incredible. I would argue that his CTS-V is louder with the Corsa Xtreme than my C6 with a Corsa Xtreme, but maybe we'll get together in the future and do a comparison video. But thanks to Rob and Mo for throwing that awesome show. It was mainly a Jeep show, but a lot of people showed up considering the weather. The guys over at JFB, awesome guys. Hopefully we do more stuff with them in the future. Yeah, had a blast today. Before I go, I do have merch now, so that is the link in the description, which coincides with a giveaway that we're doing that you saw in the beginning of this video. $18,000 worth of Sonic tools enter for your chance to win. It's free. All you got to do is comment on this video, subscribe to me, subscribe to Gas Tax. All of this, all the terms and conditions are in the description, but that's a free way to enter. And if you want to support me and get extra entries, go to the link in the description to buy some merch. First time ever doing merch, so be brutally honest with me so that I can learn from this and you know, make changes going forward. Sorry, this was supposed to be kind of like a sound bite of the Corsa Xtreme, kind of a POV thing, but it was raining, I couldn't push it. Also, you know, the heads aren't done, whatever. So I'm gonna do that in the future here soon, and my appointment to get the heads fixed is coming up. Can't come up soon enough, but it's coming up quickly, so we can finally have some fun with this thing, really push it to the max, really feel what the C6 Z06 platform feels like, and I don't have to worry about it. So hang in there with me. I'm getting excited to feel the full potential of this car, but we're not doing that before the heads aren't done. So yeah, but that's all I got. Link in the description for merch, and we'll see you in the next one.